All right, everybody, thank you very much for being here this evening. We're joined by the head coach of the Jamaican national team, Eamon Halverson, and captain of Brady Boys, Bobby Reid. We would like to open the floor for questions, but first take Coach your initial reaction to the result, the performance of this encounter.
Yeah, first and foremost, we came here to win. We needed 3 points, and first and foremost, I'm happy with that. We go from here with 3 points. That's the most important, of course, in official games. Performance-wise, I think it was a game of 2 halves. So first half, we scored maybe too early. Players got a little bit. Maybe thought it was going to be easier than it was. So from second half, I think we switched on again, and we did a good performance second half. More energy, like more together in everything we did. So happy with the second half. But overall, just happy with the effort.
And Bobby, not only scoring for your coach, but coming on the highlight this evening. What was that like for you as well?
Yeah, it's a problem for me and my family to lead that team today. And first and foremost, everyone has to be a leader on the pitch. We represent our country, and everyone can pull together one way or another. I try to do that out there, be involved, so that is ushering people around you, making people be the best they can be, giving it all on the pitch. So yeah, proud of me. I'm a fact head coach for that, and obviously that's it.
Thanks very much, Bobby. Now we'll open the floor for questions here from Football 19.
Yeah, Coach, only 2 games today, 3 games plus travel. Tell us about how you went about making decisions to start the game and start the second game. So.
Yeah, so that's kind of the game plan, to try to give players action time, but still not overloading them. Maybe the first half, I don't know, they come back from Grenada in the first half, changed our mind a little bit what we kind of wanted to do. But anyway, we finished this game with 3 points, with 3 goals in advance, and then without any injuries, which is the most important, of course. So we can start our preparation now for the game.
And your plans for the next couple of days, day off tomorrow and then training the next day?
Yeah, so we'll probably take just an easy recovery session tomorrow. We did now after the game, I cool down and compensation for the guys who didn't play. And then we just have to be really smart to know what we do. We get energy back before we play 80. We know that's going to be a very tough game.
And a question for Bobby. So another goal, always special scoring for your country. How did it feel?
Yeah, it's nice. Obviously, first and foremost, get the 3 points. It's obviously good for me personally to get a goal late on is nice. But yeah, always nice to get 3 points in the first half. We started out, obviously got a goal which we needed to be. I think we had a lapse of concentration, which let them back in the game, gave them more energy. And I think the second half we changed things. We realised I had to change our mentality on the pitch. I thought we've done that, controlled the game, and deservedly.
Any follow-up questions on Grenadian media?
Coach, I know you were looking to rest some of your players for this game, but you know, in any football game, tactics and strategy is important. Looking ahead to the Haiti game, it's going to be a tough game. You're still at the top of the table, but what's your game plan going into that game?
But we have the advantage now that our draw is enough for us. It's always dangerous when a draw is enough for you, but I think that's something. But Haiti did really well in Jamaica. They started us 2 times in the phase in the first 15 minutes, and we just have to be ready from the first